Welcome, my YouTube friends. I am Jeremy Johnson, your host for this fun-filled video where we're gonna show you all kinds of silly stuff that we build, mainly this RV. Did I forget to tell you I'm from Weldtec Designs? Did I forget to tell you, hey, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button down below, ring that bell, and if you guys have questions about what we're doing here, I would love to answer them. So please comment below with your questions and I will be sure to do my best to get back to you guys. So we are doing a ton of these things, and look at this, another Class C RV. This thing is awesome. I love it. We know that you guys are having issues with these RVs. If you've bought a new RV or you have an older RV, you know that these things sit extremely low to the ground and want to drag, especially depending on your overhang of the RV. This is something that's really important, and when you spend this kind of money on a vehicle, you want to be able to take it to those important places that you want to go camping. Then to throw one more, what is that, log in the fire, you know, to make it burn even hotter. That's your you know, when you're just pissed off because you're like, damn it, these the levelers on these hangs down so low that you're gonna drag or rip them off and just create more damage, which sucks, and that is gonna ruin your weekend. So basically what I'm saying is I'm here to save your weekend. But not only your weekend, your wife is going to be so much happier because of how nice your RV rides now. So it's like win, win. This is just a winning propaganda. Man, I'm throwing out the wrong words today. Propaganda. What word am I looking for? Agenda. Agenda? I don't know. What do I know? Half the time I'm just a rambling mess, right guys? So let's jump into this thing. So in the front of this, you can see as we jump down in here, you're gonna see the awesome set of coils, a set of Fox shocks in here. Now, this is something that's really important, is the Fox shocks are specifically valved for this front end. So what that's going to do is dramatically help improve the ride quality of your vehicle. Not to mention the coil springs help make it additionally a lot more stable. Yeah, words today, who knows? You guys can have fun with this one, making fun of me. So we have also added our extended radius arms on the front of this, which you'll be able to get in there and see. And then we're also running our steering stabilizer kit on the front of this. And then we've added a drop bracket, so this still retains your sway bars. I know that when we talk about the Baja Grocery Getter kit all the time on the vans, I'm always telling you how I'm getting rid of the sway bar because it's not necessary. So most of you guys that have an RV that's lifted, you're not going to be off-roading it like you would a van, or it doesn't have maybe the same potential. That is why I keep it on an RV, but eliminate it on most vans. Now keep in mind, if you'd like to keep it on your van, we have the ability to do that. We can do the same setup that we're doing here, excuse me. So a lot of cool things, but really the big thing in this, we're gonna look at the wheel well in there. This is the big thing right here. Okay, a lot more clearance. So if you wanna go to a bigger tire, but really what this is about, I mean, other than making this thing ride awesome. And I hope some of you guys that have gotten these RV kits would please comment below and tell us, you know, tell the other people out there how awesome they drive. So it's not just me rambling, telling you guys these things are awesome. But as we get under here and look, this is the big thing right here, is seeing all this clearance now that you have right there. Because these would normally want to drag on the ground, and that is the problem. This is one of the big things that we are achieving with this lift kit, is gaining this ground clearance in here on these RVs. And Austin's gonna eat it. He's gonna fall over. So this is what we're doing to the front of it. Let's go check out the back of this thing. And wait a second. Can you see this giant beast behind me? What do you guys think of that? If you would like to see more of that, look at these awesome shirts. You see this? Yeah, did you get it? Go to Growing Up Garage, check out Caden where he does a tour of this awesome SWAT truck. And not to mention, we got some deals going on where if you buy a shirt, you could win some good money, you know? Check that out. Make sure Austin puts it in this video or something.
Hi guys, it's Caden Johnson, 91 from Growing Up Garage, and today we got our brand new merch. So my dad's gonna tell you about the special that's going on.
Heck yeah, guys, so we want to promote Growing Up Garage, and we got shirts for the little kids, we got jackets or hoodies for the kids, we got awesome pink hats that Caden is rocking. And what we're gonna do, guys, is anybody in the month of May who goes on our website and buys any Growing Up Garage item, for each item that you buy, you're gonna be entered into a drawing. And at the end of May, we're gonna give you $300 in credit towards any of the Weldtec Designs products. Now here's the little trick in it. You can't combine this with our stimulus savings, so we're kind of doing two different things right there. But guys, check out Growing Up Garage, support what we have going on here and about kids learning. So if you guys like hanging out in the garage with your mom, your dad, your grandpa, whoever it may be, tell them you want a Growing Up Garage shirt, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you think, Kendall? Yeah?
So always support Growing Up Garage.
All right, guys, so that's the deal. We'll see you guys later. All right, guys. My phone's ringing. Hold on. Nope. It's not the wife. We're okay. We're okay. Down here, guys, you can see what we've done. We've got a ton more ground clearance. You can see how giant those leaf springs are that we're running in there. So we're putting a whole new set of leaf springs in there. What's nice is these leaf springs have a military wrap, so it's a double wrap on the front, which is going to make them a lot stronger. The other benefit in these springs is going to be the length of them, but the big thing is also the arc. A lot more arc in the spring is going to help give you a smoother ride. Typically on these RVs, you're going to see that the leaf spring sits flat or negative. It's really hard to get a good ride out of a negative spring. I'll just tell you that right there. We should go find Billy. Billy's here. Billy's the spring man. Who knows? He's probably just running around. So anyways, guys, and then to top this all off, in the rear, we've added a set of Fox shocks. Now, this is all great, but let's go check out how much higher the levelers are in the back of this too, so you can really see another big benefit of running one of these lift kits on your RV. Look at this, all kinds of room for activities back here. I mean, we have a ton of space back here, and I guarantee you, you can't do this with your normal RV. So this is huge right here. I mean, I already have a giant melon, so if I can fit my head underneath this thing, you know I got a ton of room here. So this is a big plus, not to mention we have our trailer hitch is going to be far off the ground now. We're not gonna be dragging that. And if you do have sewer pipes, this one has the generator back here. You're not gonna be dragging the generator. The last thing you wanna do is rip your generator off the back of your RV. So all of these things in the long run, we're here to save you money because you're not gonna have to go pay repair costs in order to fix all the stuff you rip off of it. So this is all neat. You guys wanna go check out the inside of this thing? Let's go. All right, so we're not gonna be able to check out at all because I don't know why, everyone locks their garage when they drop it off here. We know the guy has a motorcycle because he pulled the motorcycle out and he's out cruising his motorcycle while we did the lift on it. So these are always really cool, so that way you can put a couple bikes in there and they're totally secure, out of sight, out of mind. And all right, so you guys want to bet on this? We should bet right now. Is it locked? Is it not locked? I'm gonna go it's locked. What? 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 Oh my gosh, normally, come on guys. All right guys, and see, even when I'm inside, I still got my shades on because I'm got like the Casey Neistat shades, dude. Even when I'm inside, if you don't know what I'm talking about, you probably live under a rock. He's like the godfather of YouTube. He's a badass. So anyways, I love the inside of these. We're not gonna put the pop out, but this is a whole wall pop out. So when this whole side goes out, there's gonna be a ton of room in here. And then you'll see back in the back, you have what would be like a couch or a single bed, but when this goes all the way out, you're gonna have a full queen bed back there. So, and then in here, dude, look at that bathroom. Like, I think we could fit like 2 or 3 people in there. Can't do that in a Sprinter van. Not full size, but a good size refrigerator, freezer. We got our microwave, our cooktop, and in this one, no oven. So that's gonna be a big thing that you're gonna see in a lot of these RVs, is a lot of times the oven is optional and you will not have it. In this is just gonna have a pull-out drawer. However, you can configure it with an oven in there. And I will tell you that I have learned a ton about these RVs and the configurations just by going through them over and over again. So I love them. These things are awesome. So behind Austin, I'll have him flip around, and you can see that up there we have another full-size bed and like a 35-inch TV that's gonna come out of there when this thing is all opened up. This is awesome. I love this. So easily could sleep 6 people in here, no problem, in a fairly smaller RV. We're gonna come in, I wanna say this is gonna probably be about 28 feet. We will double check that on the outside. Oh, and look, this thing is so new. It still has the tag on it. Let's see, how much was it? It was Austin, with your young eyes, look at that. All right, so this also has the sticker on it. I've never seen one this high. This says that about 131,000. I'm gonna say that that is not the case, but what do I know? I don't sell RVs. I just love looking at them and showing you guys what we do to the outside of them. So overall, very cool. As I say, that's a, ooh, woo. So I'm gonna get out now before I break anything in this thing. It's a little too expensive for my. All right, guys, well, that is it for this awesome RV. Unless there's something else you guys want to see, let me know so that I can make sure I show you guys on the next one. Make sure you guys go down to the swag section, the shop stuff, and get one of these awesome Growing Up Garage shirts. Buy one for your kid, your nephew, your niece, your daughter, anybody who doesn't need one, or a sweet hat, and get entered to win some sweet money. But anyways, guys, that's it for this awesome RV. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs, and I will see you guys next time.